In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from RBC to Simply. So first thing you need to do is open up your RBC mobile app and then log in your account. Once you do that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, simply select the account where you want to send your money. So I'm going to click on my checking account. Then this will open your move money section. So from here, all you need to do is just simply click on this interact e-transfer option. So simply click on that. Then from here, simply select this first option, select and interact e-transfer. After this will show you this window. So from the first column, simply click on that and then select the account where you want to transfer your money. And in second column, simply enter the amount you want to transfer. And after this, simply click on this to recipient. And then this will show you this window. So from here, simply click on this add button, and once you click on that, this will open a new page where you have to enter your Simply bank details and your account informations. And once you fill up all of this information, this will open this page where you can enter the message if you want, or you can notify them by email. And you can also enter the date when you want to transfer this money. And once you fill up all this information, simply click on this continue button, and then this will ask you to verify your details before sending. So simply verify all of your details and then scroll down, and then you will see an option send now. So simply click on that, and once you do that, your money will be sended. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.